Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back. Y'all already know for what a quick little video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and we are going to get right into this video. So y'all, we are going to be doing a reaction to, remember that haul that Jasmine did with the clothes? And these clothes come from Lovely Wholesale. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. So yeah, and I'll put the picture somewhere in here. But look. All right, the first outfit that Jasmine decides to go ahead and put on is this gray onesie. That's exactly what it looks like. It has a hood on it and it looks like it has some pockets. All right, Jasmine, please, you should not do anything with that. The only thing that you should do with this right here, one in one onesie, whatever it is you should throw it away. At first, I was going to say, go ahead, Jasmine, and, sleep in it or whatever. But it seems like if you were actually to go to sleep in this, you probably would go ahead and kill yourself because you probably wouldn't even be able to get out the shit to use the goddamn bathroom. For real. But yeah, this one right here, let me tell you, baby, this one is not for you. It does not fit. It's the wrong size and everything. It makes you look like a newborn. All right, in a onesie. Yeah, that's exactly what, you look like in this. It's a no-go all the way around. Now, the next outfit, y'all, we see Jasmine, she has on, it is a fuchsia jogging, basically set. And it has a shirt, and the shirt is long sleeve, has a hood. Does it have a hood on it? No, it doesn't have a hood on it, but it has an A and the X on the front. So basically what this is basically trying to, make you guys feel is that this is a Armani exchange outfit. And baby, well, you could get away with it. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and let that one slide. The stomach is out, so it's a crop top, so it, cuts right there at the breast. So Jasmine has her little, her stomach out, her stretch marks, everything, It could be worse. Don't get it twisted. It could be worse. All right. But this outfit, I would go ahead and give her, a okay. This is a pass. You get what I'm saying? But the whole stomach being out, I feel as though I myself would not be wearing this out. If I was going outside, you know what I'm saying, to go ahead and put the trash in the trash can, then I just might put this on. It depends if there's nobody around the damn trash can that's going to see me coming out the house with this two-piece. If there is, I would say, Jasmine, go ahead and put the trash by the door like you normally do. All right, let's see what the other outfit that she get ready to come on. Let me see. All right, so now she has this other outfit. It looks like it is baby pink. It has some grayish tones in it or whatever. And it's the leggings and a plain tight shirt or whatever. And I will say this outfit is cute. You get me? You could go ahead and throw on, a nice pair of gray sneakers, and you would be doing the damn thing or whatever. Like, yeah, this one right here is real cute. I like that one. Whoa. All right. So Jasmine, they sent her another outfit, and let me tell you guys, this outfit is money dark green, and on the front it has a big ass tiger on it, and it has the words over top of it is savage. All right, and then it has the leggings. It's the same as the one that she just did with the leggings and basically the tight long sleeve shirt or whatever. Now I myself would not be caught dead in this, because what fucks this up for me right here is this big ass tiger that you got across your whole entire shirt. Like you the fucking Lion King queen, and it got savage written over it. And you under no circumstances is savage. None whatsoever. So I'm kind of wondering, Jasmine, did you actually pick this one out? Because if so, you should have picked out another one, that said something real stupid like "I love me" or some shit. But this savage shit right here, no, it's a no-go. All right. Yeah, this whole tiger, y'all, is blowing the shit out of me. Like the tiger thing, only thing that will fix this right here outfit, the green, is if you go ahead and dress it up a little bit. So what Jasmine is going to need to be able to do with this savage one, all right, that y'all see in here, is she's going to need to go ahead and put herself on a jean jacket. Yeah, you're going to need like a nice little cute jean jacket. And you could go ahead and throw, a nice little pair, fresh sneakers on. I would say get them in like a money green or, a light green. All right. Which I know you're not going to do. I'm just giving you some hope. Okay. Just in case you decide to wear this out, which I am sure that you will. But that gray one that we just talked about a few minutes ago, you better not ever wear that at all. Okay. Next outfit is the same thing. It is leggings and another tight shirt or whatever, but it has a whole bunch of colors in it. It has turquoise, it has orange, it has yellow. I love this outfit. I will say that. It is very cute. Very, very cute. It would be cute if she could go ahead and find herself, because these outfits right here is basically, you're going to need some sneakers with these outfits. If she was able to find herself some sneakers with all of these colors in here, which Jasmine can't dress, but I would be able to find some sneakers with all these colors in here. And let me tell you, I will put this outfit on and you couldn't tell me shit at all. All right, not one thing. The only thing you would be saying me walking across is, damn, where did you get that outfit from? So the next outfit Jasmine has is a red and white and black, like tight pants and type of shirt as well. But this type of outfit, it is that color block. All right. This outfit is okay. I myself, I don't like it because I got to be honest, I don't like the colors. The way it's set up is not a good setup. But on Jasmine, it would look good on her because Jasmine has no type of fashion. And a lot of times with people that don't have no type of fashion, when they put on something that would look fucked up on you, it looks okay on them because they don't have no goddamn type of fashion. So it is what it is. Now, the next outfit that Jasmine decides to put on is this dress. And basically it's a t-shirt dress and it has the lips on the front or whatever. That's it. She actually wore that dress before she did the haul. That dress, you get what I'm saying, is okay. I probably would put a good pair of sandals on with it. You could go ahead and put some sneakers on with it as well. But yeah, you could go ahead and do the thing. I'm going to say this was an okay haul or whatever. But like I said before, do not come on here, Jasmine, with that black set on that look like you are a newborn in it. It looks like a newborn outfit. Exactly. It looks like you should have yourself inside of a car seat. You look like somebody should have you as big as you are inside of, when you go to the supermarket and they have those little buggies where you let the kids go in and the cart is behind it. It looks like, Jasmine, you would need to be in one of those if you decided to wear this gray outfit out. So I'm just trying to let you know before you wear it out and people start looking at you a little bit crazy, wondering why you don't have a pacifier in your mouth or some type of bottle or some type of rattle. Yeah. But other than that, Jasmine, you did okay. You did it. You did okay. Just a gray outfit. Just a reminder. I'm not going to say nothing, else about it. I'm going to go ahead and slide on up off of here. And I am going to see you beautiful people in the next video. Later.